Hello, and congratulations on your new Wave Nano pod. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Power on. Press and hold the W to turn on. Step 2. Select a mode. Press the W to toggle through the modes. Red dots refer to red wavelength, and blue dots refer to near-infrared wavelengths. Mode 1, 3 red dots for half red light intensity. Mode 2, 6 red dots for full red light intensity. Mode 3, 3 red and 3 blue dots for half red and half near-infrared light intensity. Mode 4, 6 blue dots for full near-infrared light intensity. Mode 5, 3 blue lights for half near-infrared light intensity. Refer to the Nano Manual and educational webinars at bioflexwave.com for more information about which light mode you should use. Step 3. Apply the device. Position the device and adhere it on your skin using the two-way circular tape or optional strap. Make sure the light-emitting surface of the Nano is not pushing into your skin. There should be an air barrier as the LEDs can emit heat. The device stops automatically after 10 minutes, and it is recommended to start with a few minutes initially and increase session time a few minutes at a time to 10 minutes based on your response. You may use the Nano every day. For more information on how and when to use your Nano, refer to educational webinars at bioflexwave.com.